morning from Deer Valley. Today, we're gonna cut up this tree and haul it away. Got a 20-yard dumpster out in the street that we dropped off, and we're gonna get rid of this thing. This tree has been getting into the sewer with its roots, and half of it's died off, so homeowner's ready for it to be gone. So we're gonna cut it at grade and rake it over with rocks. That was some good sweaty work. Glad we started pretty early though, and we brought the dumpster so we had plenty of space. Worked out good. We're gonna rake this out, clean it up. Good old tree removal. Feels good running a chainsaw once in a while. I'm sure there's all kinds of things I could learn about how to do it better, but I worked for today.